Hey guys, it's Aidan from JustTheAC, and today, house tour! We got a house tour today. So, let me just show you my house. That's the door. That's the doorbell. And this is my house. Puppy! Puppy's in the house. Alright, so this is the front door. And this is the front room. This is our little, if you notice, this is our recording spot for the, what's it called? Oh wait. Oh yeah, the Bean Boozle challenge. This is where that is. This is the bathroom. Nothing really special about that. Alright, this is the main walkway. That's the room nobody uses. This is the dining room. You can see something over there. That might be my room. Oh! Living room with little kitty boy. His name is Jax. He's a fat cat. And he's on my arm. And that's Dookie Duke. Duke! Alright, that's our big TV. Oh, this is our kitchen. We got a microwave. Alright, microwave works. We got a fridge. We got that. And this is our beautiful outside. What do you think about that? If you think the beautiful outside is beautiful, well, comment down below. That's my mom's room. We don't go in there. Oh, this is my room. This is where JustTheAC Aidan records. Actually, never mind. JustTheAC Aidan doesn't record. This is where I've recorded once. Scrapped it. It was bad. And then this is my... Here, wait. Where did I put the tripod? I don't know where I put the tripod. Here, wait. Are you guys ready? Alright, Duke, no, get. Woo! I jumped onto the bed. Okay, house tour. That's the bathroom. That's the main, well, that's my bathroom. That's my sister's room. That's Daffy's. Oh, it's messy. We don't go in there. What else is there to show? Actually, guys, that's my house. I mean, I could go more in depth. Alright. This is the front room. We watch TV in here, and we play our Nintendo Wii. I'm too broke to buy a PS3, so that's that. This is that room. We don't really sit in there that often. This is the living room with our giant TV, chest ottoman, you know, all that. Oh, and bonus, pet review. This is Jax. He's a big fat cat that likes to sleep. That's Duke. He's a super energetic big doggy. That's his ball. This is the kitchen. Oh, wait. I gotta show you guys this. We have ramen in here. I want to eat this so bad. You know what? How about we do that? That's how you open that. Oh yeah, look, it says cup noodles, by the way. Alright, you do that. You close it. And now with your beautiful ramen, you open the microwave and you put it in. And then what also you do, 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That's how you make ramen. That was delicious. Finished up the ramen. Tasted really good. And I'm going to show you the rest of the house. Right. As we know. Oh, wait. Here. That, my mom's room is to the left. Oh, this is the one room I didn't show you. This is the snack cabinet. This is where you got your Lay's. You got your not sponsored popcorn. Got your waters. Got your shoes, got your pants, got your shirts. And, oh yeah, this is our beautiful hallway. Beautiful bathroom. Beautiful Jordan's room. Oh, this is the laundry room. And if you're ready to see my garage. Oh wait, that's for another video. Garage tours with Aidan and Chase. We're probably not going to be doing both of our garages. But, I mean both of our garages at the same time. But I mean like we're probably going to be doing both of our garages. This is my Han Solo gun. As seen on my ideas for my Han Solo costume video. Yeah. Yeah, that one. This is my messy desk. Pretty good. Oh, and I have a TV in my room. If you didn't know that, subscribe. This is my closet. Got my Captain America. Got my gun. Got my stuff. Got my Easter candy. No, actually, now that is it. Here, let me end this off. I'm Aidan. And Chase isn't here, and this was my house tour. So I hope you enjoyed it. Put a like, put a subscribe, and goodbye. Hope you have a nice day. Oh, and by the way, that green stuff in my mouth, you know what that is? It's braces. Just kidding.